Hamza, I need to vent about something that happened this morning. One tiny verb completely embarrassed me in front of my cousin.
Whoa, what? A verb embarrassed you? That sounds dramatic.
It is dramatic. I understand the word take perfectly on its own, but then my cousin used take off. Take up, take on, and take over. All in one conversation, and I just froze.
That's such a common trap. Take alone is simple, but the moment a little word joins it, the whole meaning shifts, and your brain has to restart.
Exactly, it's so frustrating.
Don't worry, Emma. Seriously, everyone goes through this. But by the time we finish today, you're never going to freeze again.
I'm holding you to that. But first, a quick favor for our listeners.
Yes, if you want lessons like this every week, subscribe to English Horizon and tap that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel grow.
Thank you all so much for that.
Okay, let's dive in. Ready to finally conquer take?
Wait, one question first. Is this going to be full of grammar terminology?
Not even a little bit. No verb charts. No dictionary definitions.
Then how are we learning it?
Through pictures. Every phrase we cover today has a physical image hiding behind it. And once your brain sees that image, you'll never forget the meaning.
Okay, I love that approach already.
Here's our golden rule for today. Don't memorize the words. Understand the movement.
Don't memorize the words. Understand the movement. Got it? So take is our anchor word, and the little word after it points us in a direction.
Exactly right. That small word is basically a compass.
A compass? I like that. So each direction changes where the action goes.
Precisely. Let's start with plain take and build from there.
Sure.
Emma, can you take my phone for a second while I tie my shoe?
Handing you my hand right now. Here.
Perfect. What just happened? A second ago, the phone was with me. Then it moved toward you.
Oh, so take is about something arriving in my hands moving toward me.
Exactly. The direction is always inward, toward the person. Let's hear it in daily situations.
Go for it.
Take this umbrella. It's going to rain. Take a seat. Make yourself comfortable. Take your time. There's no rush at all. Can you take a message from me?
So in every single one, something moves towards someone and they receive it.
Right. Even something abstract works the same way. Take responsibility. Take a risk. Take a break. You're pulling all of these toward yourself.
This is such a clear picture. Take equals receiving or accepting something toward you.
Exactly. Ready to add our first direction word?
Yes, let's do it.
First up, take off.
Oh no, this one always trips me up.
Close your eyes for a second. You're wearing thick boots after walking through mud all day. The second you're home, you pull them off your feet.
I take off my boots. So off means something is separating, moving away from the body.
Exactly. You take off your jacket. Take off your glasses. Take off your watch. Anything leaving your body follows this same direction.
Got it, but there's more, isn't there?
There is. And honestly, this one is my favorite. Picture a rocket sitting on a launch pad. Engines roar, smoke everywhere, and then it separates from the ground completely.
It takes off. It's leaving the surface entirely, shooting upward.
Exactly. Same direction, just a bigger version. A plane takes off from the runway the same way.
Makes total sense. Is there a business version too?
There is. Listen to this. After that celebrity wore their sneakers in a video, sales completely took off.
Wait, sneakers can take off too?
Think about the rocket picture. What happens when something takes off?
It shoots upward really fast. So the sneaker sales suddenly became huge, successful almost overnight.
Exactly. One small mention and the business leaves the ground completely and soars.
I love how one picture covers 3 completely different situations. What's next?
Time for take up.
Take up. Okay, paint the picture for me.
Imagine an empty parking spot outside your building. One afternoon, a huge delivery truck parks there and just sits, filling the whole space.
The truck takes up the whole spot. So up means filling or occupying something.
Exactly. And it works with time too. Picture your entire Saturday, completely open until a family event. Takes up the whole afternoon.
So take up can mean occupying space or occupying time.
Right? But There's a third meaning, and it's a fun one. Imagine your evenings are usually empty, and you decide to start painting every night after work.
I took up painting because painting fills that empty time in my life.
Exactly. You're starting a brand new hobby. I took up hiking, she took up guitar, he took up baking. All the same picture. Something new fills the empty space.
This is so much clearer than a textbook definition. What's the next direction word?
This one shows up constantly at work. Take on.
Oh, take on. Tell me the scenario.
Picture yourself at a gym, and a trainer hands you a heavy backpack full of sandbags and says, "Carry this up the hill."
Accepting that weight onto my shoulders, even though it's difficult.
Exactly, that's the picture behind take on. You accept a challenge or a responsibility, even if it's heavy. I'll take on the extra shift this weekend.
So it's willingly accepting something demanding.
Right. She took on a leadership role. He's taking on more clients this year. Every time someone is voluntarily accepting a weight, a task, a duty.
I really like the backpack image. It makes it stick.
Last direction word, and it's a powerful one. Take over.
Take over. I definitely hear this in business news a lot.
Picture two pilots flying a plane together. One pilot suddenly feels dizzy, so the co-pilot grabs the controls completely.
The co-pilot takes over, taking full control from the other person.
Exactly. That's the entire picture. Control shifting from one person to another. When a new CEO takes over a struggling company, they take full control of everything.
And I've heard the phrase corporate takeover before too.
Right, that's literally one company seizing control of another. The picture never changes. Control simply shifts hands.
Okay, now I want to compare take on and take over because I feel like I can mix them up.
Good instinct. This trips up a lot of learners. Listen closely. I'm taking on the marketing project. I'm taking over the marketing project.
They really do sound almost identical.
But think about the pictures. Taking on means what exactly?
Accepting a new responsibility, like the backpack. Nobody had it before me.
Right, and taking over?
Someone else already had it, and now the control moves to me instead.
Exactly. You nailed it. This is genuinely one of the most common mix-ups in English.
But not for us anymore. Let's test it. Error lab time.
Oh, I love the error lab. Give me a sentence to fix.
Okay, here's one. I took over painting as a new hobby last month.
Buzzer, that's wrong. Think about the picture. Painting is something brand new filling your time.
Oh, right. That's take up, not take over. I took up painting as a new hobby.
Exactly. Let's try one more. Someone asks their coworker for help and says, "Could you please take on my desk while I'm on vacation?"
Wait, that phrase actually sounds a bit off to me.
Think carefully. Is the coworker accepting a brand new task or controlling something that already belongs to someone else temporarily?
They're controlling my responsibilities while I'm gone. So it should be, could you please take over my desk while I'm on vacation?
Perfect catch. One small word really does rewrite the entire sentence.
Let's prove we've got this with a real scene. I'll play your neighbor. Ready?
Ready? Action.
Hey, I heard you're finally learning an instrument.
Yeah, I took up the drums a few weeks ago. It's been fun so far.
That's awesome. Any progress on your job situation?
Actually, yes. I took on a huge new client this week. It's a lot of pressure.
Wow, exciting. And is your brother still running that bakery?
No. Actually, someone took over the whole bakery last month. New owner completely.
Oh, interesting. And didn't your flight get delayed last time you traveled?
It did. But eventually the plane took off 2 hours late. Still made it home safe.
And cut. That was seamless. You used all four naturally.
Because I finally understand the directions instead of translating word by word.
That's exactly the goal. Let's lock this in with a rapid memory check.
Go for it.
Take.
Something moves toward you, you receive it.
Take off.
Something separates and moves away, or leaves the ground entirely.
Take up.
Something fills space or time, often a new hobby.
Take on.
Accepting a challenge or responsibility, even if it's heavy.
Take over.
Control shifting completely from one person to another.
Perfect score. Let's challenge our listeners quickly. Everyone, guess along with us. You start learning guitar this year.
Take up,
You accept a huge, difficult new project at work.
take on,
A new manager arrives and controls the whole department.
take over,
A rocket separates completely from the launch pad.
take off,
And last one, someone hands you their umbrella and you receive it.
take. Great work today, Emma, seriously.
You too, Hamza. Now it's homework time for our listeners.
Write one sentence for each phrase in the comments below. One with take, take off, take up, take on, and take over.
And please, don't just type them and forget about it. Say them out loud today. Use them in a real conversation.
Because knowing more words isn't the real goal here.
Right, using English naturally is the actual goal.
Thank you all so much for spending this time with us today.
If this visual method helped you, please subscribe to English Horizon and hit that like button.
It genuinely helps us keep making free lessons for everyone.
Take care, everyone, and keep practicing every single day.
Bye. See you all in the next lesson.